Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I am here at 1500 Gabriela Court, space 35 today for an open house, and I want to show you this wonderful remodeled manufactured home. So let's take a look. So this is coming up onto the wonderful front porch, and then we're just going to go inside. Here's the front door, but just look at this corner lot, and what a nice, peaceful park. Okay, let's go inside. This home is 142,000 and it is about 1,500 square feet. Got lots of upgrades that I'll talk out with you as we walk through the home. So pay attention. It is a great home and a great buy. All right, come on in. And just look at the open floor plan. Got a place there. Kitchen. Nice tall ceilings. Bright windows, and then you've got the hallway that goes on down to the bedroom there. This is the primary suite. Nice size, beautiful remodeled bathroom, walk-in closet, and here's the bathroom. Nice size. Got a linen closet there, so those are always handy. Nice shower head over there. And then separated from everything is the toilet. And check out this kitchen. We got a new sink, all new appliances, and look at the quality of the cupboards and cabinets here. Again, new appliances here. There's the fridge. And then you also have a separate little sitting area or dining area, or you could make it like a little, maybe like a desk. Something could go here. We've got the little microwave area, which is really nice. And then we're going to go right into our utility room here. And so we've got the washer and dryer that does come with the home. We've got an area over here. You could put, your broom stuff there or a freezer. And then it goes right outside here to a covered carport parking. This is under the carport here, and I just want to point out this place has the carport parking, but it's also got an extra parking space right next to it, and it's really deep back there. You've got a shed here, and then we'll just go ahead and walk back. If you walk here, you have a nice side yard here. Easy taking care of landscaping, not a whole lot of maintenance, not a lot of water. But I do want to just kind of walk around a little and show you how deep this double parking is here. And lots of parking here. Another shot of this great home here. I'll point out this has a brand new furnace right there. This also has a brand new water heater. So it's a great deal. So now that you've taken a look around, what do you think? Let me ask you this. Do you want to live in a 55 and older park? Do you want to feel safe and welcomed by your neighbors? Do you want a really good deal? Then I've got the match for you. You need to call me today and come see this home. Don't miss out on this great opportunity. It's priced at $142,000, and of all the parks in Salem that's available for 55 and older, this has one of the lowest park rents. So it's $750 a month for the park rent. Call around for yourself. It's hard to beat that price for the quality that you get here with this small community. So I hope to hear from you soon. If you have any questions, give me a call.